Well, hello you lovely lot, you're watching our adventures out there. If you're new to the channel, I'm Jay.
I'm Hayley.
And we cover our adventures, and today we're at the Leckford Estate. It's owned by John Lewis, and
Longstock Water Gardens.
Longstock Water Gardens we're going to. That's at a different postcode about a mile away, but they also own this place, and there's a nursery, a cafe and a farm shop. And we're here for the food. So we'll show you the postcode, we'll get you back on the road, bring you guys in. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like, there's a button swiftly for that. And then we'll get back on the road, get back to the other postcode and get around this water garden as well.
Yeah.
Gotta look forward to this.
Bye.
Alright guys, so this seems to be the cafe, the nursery and the farm shop. If we end up buying any more plants, I'm going to go mental at her. Hopefully we got footage of that deer as we came in. It ran across the road in front of us. I don't know how quick we were with the camera, especially with Hades driving. But let's get some breakfast, because that is the key part to start with. Breakfast, babe.
Yeah, mine was lovely. Really
It wasn't.
nice.
It had avocado in it. Right, let's have a look around this nursery. Oh, this is a big place. Are you all nursery fed and shopped out, love?
Yeah, let's get to these water gardens.
Alright. So there was a path that links the two, wasn't there, babe? But it's shut today. So yeah, we said we were going to take you to the other car park anyway. We would have shown you it, but now we're going to drive to it. So we'll take you back for that drive. Alright, nice big gravel car park, but it is, what was it, dust?
Dusty.
Dusty, it's dusty. But yeah, it's less than like a minute down the road.
Yeah,
So,
it definitely wasn't a mile.
alright, we'll show you the postcode. We'll bring you guys back and show you the prices to get in. It's not cheap, is it?
A tenner each.
Yeah,
I
there
don't
you
know
go.
about children, but adults will tenner.
We'll show you, you know what we do. right in the gate. It was £10 exactly. It is a very beautiful place. I'll spin you around. just met some lovely people. They come from Shaftesbury.
Oh, we like Shaftesbury.
Yeah, some of them come from Oxfordshire, so we're not that. If you have joined the channel, guys, thank you so much for joining. Having a lovely time here, though, aren't we?
Yeah, it's really peaceful.
Really nice and peaceful. I think if you stuck to the main path, it's all pretty flat and level, so it'd be alright for like a mobility scooter or a wheelchair, or yeah, a really nice place, really enjoying it. Very tranquil. I've seen a lady doing some doodles and I'm quite interested to see what it looks like. Apparently that was John Lewis's first office. How cute. Okay, there doesn't seem to be a set route or anything, so it's just, yeah, you can go left, you can go right, you can go clockwise, anti-clockwise, there's bits all over the place and left and right, so you just get lost in your own little way. It's really nice. They've got toilets down this end as well. Always nice to know. of hours, but yeah, really enjoyed that. We'll wrap up in the car park. I think we're going to go back for a coffee. Well, we just went to go back to the car to drive back up, but it said it's only half a mile and the path isn't closed this end. If we get all the way up there and it is shut, our review of this place will be very tainted. That's only about a 10-minute walk up the hill, so hopefully it'll be about 7 minutes rolling back down. I think we're feeling ice cream now. Oh, affogato! Alright, couple of ice creams, couple of smoothies. Living a dream. You alright there, love? That cafe was a little find, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely worth it if you just want a drink.
Yeah, they don't
the other
do.
place was so busy.
Yeah, they don't do hot food there, but for I'd say a couple of, I think they've got scones and ice creams and coffees and things and smoothies. Smoothies are good.
Yeah, and some cold drinks.
There's some cold drinks. Right, how'd you find it?
Yeah, it's been a nice day out.
Really good. I say for £10. I mean, this bit's all free. I mean, you can come up here and spend a day at the nursery, in the
Yeah.
shop and everything. But to the rest of it as well, the water gardens was definitely worth a £10 entrance fee and
Yeah, definitely,
stroller.
especially if you're into plants and stuff.
It was really peaceful down there as well. People doing art and things, weren't they? Doing some doodles and
But no doggies in the water.
no doggies, no doggies. But yeah, hopefully guys it's helped you in some way, shape or form. If it has, then please like the video. There's a button specifically for that. And subscribe for the future content. We are doing this every week. Not this place.
No.
Not just this place. Where are we off to next, love? We are off to Legoland.
Oh,
Legoland, a different change of pace, most definitely. But we've got a night stay in a woodland lodge, and
we're going to go to the restaurant there as well, aren't we?
yeah, we're going to try out the food. It's so mixed reviews. I know you can order stuff in, but we're going to try the restaurant
Yeah,
for dinner
have
and
the
for breakfast. I think we've got
actual
golf as well, haven't we?
Yeah, and we've got golf.
We've got some crazy golf going on, then we've got a full day in the park the next day as well, so join us for that. And then Centre Parks, got a week in Longleat.
Exciting.
Can't wait. Hopefully we'll catch you guys there. Take care, stay safe, be kind to each other, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys.
See you next time.